So let's start cooking.
Okay. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. First off, we have in this bowl here our dry ingredients. We have a cup of flour already. We need to add in a quarter teaspoon, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and then a half teaspoon of salt, and then a third cup of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. Okay, get it all in there. Okay, and now we're going to whisk it all together. But first, we're going to cue the whisking song.
Whisk, 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 the wire sings. Round and round the mixer brings the fluff and foam, the happy sound. A lovely batter, smooth and round.
Now that we have all the dry ingredients nice and whisked up, we're going to add the wet ingredients. We'll switch the bowls. In the second bowl, you want to add in 1 egg.
Poopy egg.
And you want to add in half a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar.
Don't do that. Pop that on the egg.
And
wait, we forgot butter. We forgot.
You got the butter. Okay, we'll get the butter. But you want to add in a half a cup of butter. It means just 1 stick of butter. All right. Then you want to add in a half a cup of sugar. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Salt.
And then you want to mix. Where's this pass right here? Then you want to mix. But you want to mix it with the butter in there. When the butter's in, it'll mix up. And we're going to put the butter in off camera.
Like sand.
But we'll come back and then we'll, taste mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Okay, we got all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients mixed. We got the butter in there. Now you want to put your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Here, take the whisk.
Can I pour it in?
Yeah, if I give you the whisk, you can stir it.
Oh, that's right.
All right. We got all that in there. You need to use the rubber spatula. All right, now stir. Now while you're stirring, I'm going to add in the cup of chocolate chips.
These look. This
right.
looks like a
rainstorm. You want to stir it up.
It looks like a rainstorm.
Nice and thick and doughier. Where it's more together. And once you do that, then we're going to get out the pan and we're going to put the cookie dough on the pan to make the cookie. All right, we're back. We got the dough done. Now we're just going to spray the tray to put the cookies on. All right, spray. All right, that's good enough. We're getting it all on my face and everything. All right, we got the cookies sprayed. Now we're going to clean it up a little bit because we got a little mess. And we come back, the cookies are going to be on the tray, and then we're going to make some cookies. Sorry about the sound, guys. The video, my Bluetooth microphone had died. I had no idea that it had died. So we were thinking that we were recording sound, and we was not. So we apologize. But in this part of the film, this video, guys, we made a little mess with the butter spray. So of course we had to, clear it up a little bit. We did that. And in the next part, the dough looks pretty good. You want to take and you want to scoop about a tablespoon of batter each. And then you want to layer them like 2 inches apart on the pan so they have enough room to cook and bake well. And thank you guys for your patience and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, we're back. We decided to, I forgot to say, you put them in the oven, 375 for 10 minutes. Does it come out nice and chocolate? If you want to, you can put a little chocolate chips on the top before you bake them. But now it's time for Kylo to do his taste test. You're supposed to wait till He gives it a thumbs up. So again, apparently it's good to him. So we're going to say good. And what you got to say to the people, Kylo?
Like and subscribe.
Exactly. Like and subscribe with the 4
Right
cookies.
here.
And we appreciate you guys watching. We thank you. God bless everybody. Until next time. Bye-bye. Bye.